So this patient, he was in his late 60s. This is how his smile was looking. So even in his smile, you can probably tell what's going on. What you can see right now in his smile, his top teeth are looking pretty all right, but maybe the chief concern for this patient would have been his bottom teeth, which are completely worn out. But when we take a closer look and we see the actual state of his teeth, the condition is completely different. So this is what is going on. His bottom teeth are almost completely invisible. You can't see them at all. These are ground down. There's hardly 1 millimeter to 2 millimeters left above the gum level. Now, because these have worn down completely, the top teeth have come down to take up that space. He's got a lot of old dentistry done, old crowns. These are also in fact crowns. A lot of these crowns were done, but they were always done as patchwork treatment. So a long-term scenario, something that's going to last him for the next 20-30 years has never been thought of for him. And this was a time when he finally thought that he wanted to get into it. He's also got a missing tooth over here, and overall he's got a bite collapse that has happened. This is also how his teeth are, so you can better understand all of these situations. Completely worn down bottom teeth, the bottom canine which is placed completely inside, a missing tooth over here, older crowns over here which have leaky margins. So here also there's an older crown. So this case falls under the title of a full mouth rehabilitation, where most of his teeth need treatment, either to restore whatever has been lost, in his case also to restore his original bite, to give him tooth structure, long lasting tooth structures. So we have involved all of his teeth. He did not want implants, so the missing teeth were also replaced with crowns only, with bridges. We have replaced all of these teeth. We have restored all of these teeth with zirconia crowns of a shade that he liked. So this is how his before and after is looking. So now you can see how much of a bite change has happened. His bottom and top front teeth are a lot more proportionate. His entire bite at the back is also something which has been restored. His bottom teeth are finally visible. This is a shade which is looking much better. These are zirconia crowns, so they're going to last really, really long. And this is how his before and after smile is looking. So this is not only aesthetic, but this is a functional treatment whereby he's got long lasting teeth which are going to be with him for a very, very, very long time now.